in a single month. You can see month has been selected. This is the amount which my channel has been made in a single month, and this type of the views which has been uh, gathered on my channel by uploading the shorts. My name is Omer Khalid. As you know that I am basically YouTuber by profession. And today the meeting agenda of this session is about how I made $1,000 by YouTube Shorts in a single month. This is basically my profile. You can see that I have always sharing the knowledge regarding YouTube, and you can see the prompts. This is all things which I'm going telling you guys. If you're following me, that I will share the free knowledge regarding YouTube. uh, Even it's a short form, or it is a long form, I will continue to share the long or short knowledge regarding YouTube. So basically what we're going to discuss now, how I made 1k dollar in a single month from YouTube shorts, right? So this is basic agenda of this session. uh, so first of all, what are the basic thing that I have told you guys? The first thing which we are discussing about is their YouTube is, now we need a fresh Gmail or an old Gmail. First of all, I should write this down because you're gonna see this. First, old Gmail or fresh Gmail for the YouTube account. Another way you can see the Google account for the YouTube, which is also known as a Gmail. The first thing is this, according to my experience, what you are going to do that first, if you are seeing you're facing the zero views issues, or you're seeing the no impressions on your video, then you can go for the old Gmail. So you are going to use a fresh Gmail or the old email. First of all, the strategy of how I made this channel, it is in front of you. This is a basically channel. If you see that I have gained 2 lakhs 2 lakh 13,000 subscriber till date is 12 April. So it's all about that, and what I have generated in 1 month by YouTube Shorts by uploading only 1 or 2 or 3 shorts in a week. So what I have used in that, so let me tell you one thing, that I have used the fresh Gmail account, no fresh Google account for this channel. You can see here, if you go there in the stats of my channel, if you go there and if you see the about section of my channel, you can see that I have made the channel on this email on 10th January 2015. I have uploaded 39 video till time, and I have received 22 million views for that, and the subscribers gained is in front of you. So, without wasting the time, the first thing is this: I have used a free, fresh Google account for this channel. Now, how you can do this? If you seen my previous session, I have told the 1 multiply by 10 formula. What is 1 multiply by 10 formula? When you are going to work on any YouTube channel or Google account or any specific niche, what you are going to do, you have to make 3 or 5 channels on different Gmail or Google account. What you are going to do, you will upload the similar shorts to 3 or 4 Google account channel. After uploading 3 or 4 shorts in a week, you will see that the channel which are receiving proper impressions or views, right? The channel which are receiving the proper impression and the views, you should continue with that channel. Delete the other channel along with their short immediately. Just take one channel at that time after getting the proper views on that. If you see that lifetime is of this channel, of this you can see this channel, I have started this channel on the 9th January. You can see April, March and February, there is no thing for the January. Basically the YouTube, this drag log box only shows the recent 3 months. If I go to the January, I have to select the custom way. Here you are, you can see that 1st January to 31st January. Now check this. After selecting this date, you can see that there is a no video or shorts uploading till uh, 9th or the 12th January. I have uploaded this short on, you can say that, to 11th January. You can see the views on here, and you can see there is no estimated revenue tab is here because my channel is doesn't monetize at the January. Once your channel is monetized, you can see the dates. I will show you what the exactly date my channel got monetized in the February. My channel complete the criteria. I will teach each and everything, and then basically this is a case study in which you can see each and everything. I will explain to you step by step. First of all, I have explained started this channel on 11th January, and I put my first shot on 9th January. There you are, you can see that. Then I put second and third shot after 2 or 3 days gap. You can see the views count here, right? First day I got only 9,000 views, then it go to 11,000, then again they drag down from 1,000 views. Yani ki you can see this came, my views has been dropped down from 10,000 to 1,000 views in a day. So I didn't lose anything. This was a channel which was performing better than other channel. This channel was getting impression properly, so I have starting to upload in that. You can see after uploading 3 shots, I give the time to the channel. The biggest mistake that you guys made is that you are focusing on quantity. What this is your major problem, not on quality, right? This is a major issue that you are going to, this is a major mistake everybody made. I am putting the 100% of my in the uh, every shot. I write script by myself. I clip this thing, how I'm getting the scripts and where from I getting the basically clips or the script. For that I will teach you that thing in another session. First see this session. I have uploaded only 15th 5 shots in the January that I got the result is in front of you. You see that I have received approximately 1 million views, uh, uh, approximately 8 lakhs views in that, and you can see that the subscriber and this and that. Still time there is no monetization for my channel. See, now I select the February Feb tab. You can see that my criteria has been completed in the Feb. Once I've seen the potential in the January that my channel has took my channel, what my channel has done, it makes 7K views to 7K views in January. Then I have seen that in the Feb my criteria of the short was completed of 10 million views, right? It is, you can say that if I'm right here January, right? Criteria of the views, as you know that we need only views in the short, the watch time is not important as such in the shorts. You can see that. So I'm going in the Feb. If you see in the Feb, I got 10 million views in the February. Let me make this proper so you can easily understand. There you are. You've seen that still I haven't, this tab is not popped up. I haven't received any kind of thing. Is that you can see that from this in this dialog box I am receiving approximately 37,000 views in an hour. This is the quality of the content when you are giving to the audience that they're demanding. Basically this is a supply and demand formula. You know that if you give the proper demand that the audience is no, sorry, what you are supplying which is demanding by the audience, the perfect example of that. You can see that I have receiving 1 million views in the last 48 hours. So come to the back to the point. If you see that the views was completed in that specific February 20, as you know, the 28 days in the Feb, you've seen the views criteria of the short has been completed. No time I have received my silver button on that. This is that 1 lakh views or 1 lakh subscriber. For that, you know, the silver button needs approximately 1 lakh subscriber for that, or in the words way you can say that 100,000 subscriber for that. You can see that if you count that things are around the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, approximately 15 shots were uploaded in that specific period of 28 days. Recently I uploaded 4 shots. It is takriban 50 or 20 25 shots in the Feb. So this is the criteria has been completed in the February. So now come to the March. This is the you see that if you see my channel was monetized until let's some custom date for you so it get more clear for you. I have selected 1 to 12 March for that. You can see the date here right here. Till time you can see that 15th shots in the 28 dates. I haven't put the shots on the channels. What you are doing, what are your biggest mistake? Again I'm trying to tell you that when you're getting the views, what you are going to do, You are just putting up the shorts, you're uploading the short without seeing the quality, without following the standard. Let me get this straight. When you are working on any kind of specific pattern that your channel is earning from that or getting views on that, only stuck to that. Don't try to change the pattern. Don't try to get over smart. YouTube algorithm is very smart from you guys. You see this one shot, two, three, and four shot till 12th March. And this was the views I got, and this was the time you can see that there's still no monetization. Now I select 13th March to 31st March. As you see the result of that, my channel, what I have done that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, I have uploaded approximately 15 shorts. You can say that 2 shorts in a day, and this amount has been made in only 18 days. You can see that, right? And this is the you can see, let me guess, just I want to show you something in that. If I only select custom 12 or 13 day, in the date specifically my channel has been monetized. At that I just see the revenue which has been made on the first $5 only on the 13th March. If you see the date into 13th to 14th March, see 48 $43 which has been made in 2 or 3 days. It is a major amount which he can a short make in a single day. So now move to the further point. If you see the full March, this is the views I have got in the March. This was the amount I'm earning in the 17 days, 13 to 31st. You can say the 18 days I have made this amount. Now I select to the April. What is going on in the April? My channel has received this amount because we are basically Muslim, and the Eid was here, my office was closed. So that's why we have uploaded one shot, two, three, and 4 to 5 shot till time now. Similarly to the, if you see the previous part of the video, I have in the March I have received uploaded the same shorts amount of the shorts in the channel. As you can see that I have made approximately $400 in 11 days in the April, which is a very decent earning in the short revenue. If we select that, I'm claiming that I'm how I made, I select 11 April March to 11 April, how I made $100,000 in a single month. You can see I month has been selected. This is the amount which my channel has been made in a single month, and this type of the views which has been uh, gathered on my channel by uploading the shorts. What kind of shorts I'm uploading? It's a simple pet niche. You can see in my previous sessions on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen my YouTube channel, let me get to there. And this is my the channel. You can see the approximate complete course of YouTube automation. In that, I have told each and everything regarding YouTube automation. If you want to do things, what I'm doing regarding how I'm taking the video, you can see the case study in that, and it will be, I think, so enough for you guys. So this is my profile if you want to follow that. So let me come to back to the point. You can see that my channel has made approximately $1,100 in single month, and this approximately you can say I am uploading 25 shorts in a month. Don't upload daily short until unless you got the grip on that. And I am running multiple channel of like that. This is a freshly monetized channel which I have monetized recently, and approximately $757, which is you can see in the March. This amount is added in my AdSense balance because they calculated the March revenue till 1st 2nd April, and the revenue which is reflect in your AdSense YouTube AdSense, that will the final revenue which is going Google is going to pay you, right? The final revenue, just the dates of the final revenue which is going to give, Google give you. The dates are 9th, 10th, or 11th of the month, in which you can see the balance once reflect on that. So this is the basically case study. You can see that all in that. If you am going to see the 48 hours, okay, what views I'm getting, you see the basic upsided candles, you can see, which getting views. If you see that 12,000 views yesterday and 37,035, this is all YouTube is recommended, and you can see here easily that the YouTube is not recommending only one shot. There are multiple shots is getting viral. You can see from here 48,000, 51,000, 54, and they are from the different month: April, May, April, March. It's all about that. You just focus on the quality. Once your channel getting viral, it will get each and everything on that. Every shot will be you're getting viral. Now come to the point, what is the audience of my channel and what is the basic revenue I am generating for that. You can see that my channel, my top country is only 40% of the United States. If it is 50% or 60%, it will the boom in my revenue. It's not a big deal. You can see the Philippines and India and Canada, this and all that. And these are the age group which I am basically my shorts can be recommended. If you see here, I'm not only from the shorts, I am also receiving the memberships. Like 1 second, you can see that I have received a membership from the this April month. This is, you can see that I have selected only April. For that I am receiving the membership. I'm not basically demanding any kind of membership or super thing or chat for that. My things, I have received a short super gift in recent month. So basically this is the extra income you can receive from the shorts or from the YouTube. Now what kind of revenue basically I am taking from the YouTube? If you see that and come down to that, you will see revenue and what is the RPM of my channel. Here you go. If you go drop down, there you are. Revenue. You can see here. Just give me a second. Let me refresh it for you. I think my channel is struck. You can see that basically what I have made this amount, right? This is the amount which I am making with that. My RPM is, why is it so low? Basically, it is dividing the whole time revenue. If you select only March revenue, you will see this was a March revenue, which was done because one of my short viral in the Philippines. That was the problem. If you see the April revenue, you will see that slightly increase in that. Basically, now this is you can see revenue is my short is getting viral in the United States. That's why you can see this is the views I have get from that, and this is the revenue which I'm getting. So this is all about which I am telling you. That is not a very big deal. You can easily make that amount. You can easily made that amount. So this is a case study. You can, if you want to say, see again, this thing is in front of you. There you are. One thing I want to tell you that one thing that people might ask, that I have changed my currency to the Jamaican dollar. You can see a lot of screenshots with the fake things. Yeah, if let me show you, you see the TikTok, they make a massive amount of $100,000 in a month. This is not possible. Oh, they are fooling you. Let me show you. If you select a here Jamaican dollar for that, yes, you know that I have made 1,000 and only $1,000 for that. I just see, don't look at this one. It is now $100,000. This is nearly impossible, 100% impossible. So stay away from this type of scam. You can see that if I again change my currency to the US dollar and I refresh it, it will get the exact amount which I'm getting from the last month. So you can see that my date has been selected of 15th March to 11th April, and this is the amount which I have made it in a single uh, month. $1,000. When you short, you can see this $70 was the maximum amount that has been made after my channel getting monetized. So stay with me and subscribe my channel for the more content. Here is my channel. You can see the previous earning for that, previous session for that, and this is my YouTube short. Or you can, this is my profile. You can visit for more tips and tricks for that. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye.